Hey boss, we will begin with this tiniest module, this breakthrough board, and you see that it is, let me try to reverse it a bit, you see that it is AHT21B version 1, and it is temperature and humidity sensor. Let me try to take it close to the camera, you see that there. And of course we are going to learn how to interface it with Arduino. I hope that you already subscribed to this channel. If it is your first place here, please go do subscribe, because we will keep fueling here the video tutorials about the electronic component and module that can save you in your hobby or student project, or if you are electronic enthusiast you already need as we need you. So we have Arduino Uno for jumper wires here, and we are going to work with that. Let's get started. And by the end of this video you will be able to read the temperature and humidity values accurately and display them on the serial monitor. As we said before, this crucial component of the day is an electronic module that enables you to read the temperature and humidity, and you see that it has up to 4 pins, which are SCL for serial clock, and then SDA, the second pin from the bottom, and those give this module ability to connect or to communicate with Arduino via I2C interface. Then you have GND for ground, and then VCC for plus 5 volts from Arduino. Then the SCL will be connected to A5, to analog pin A5 of Arduino, and then SDA will be connected to A4, means analog pin 4 of Arduino. So of course, to run this module we will need the library, and that library is called Adafruit AHTX0 library. Guys, for that let's move to the computer and install library. Okay guys, here is the Arduino IDE open. So we're going to install the library first. So I'm coming to Sketch, then include the library, and then open manage library, and you will see that the window opened in the right corner of our Arduino IDE 2.3.6, and I'm now typing there AHTX0, and then you see by default you have the Adafruit AHTX0 by Adafruit library. Then I'm gonna go ahead and install the library. I'm going to install all versions, and let's pause a bit. Okay, you see that the library starts installing itself, and guys, you see that the library is done installed. So I'm going to load this pre-written sketch. So let me try to compile it, and once done compiling we will go ahead and then assemble the circuit as we said before. And then you see that it is done compiling. So let's wire the circuit and see it working. Okay guys, you see that here I have the module and the Arduino connected, and then you see VCC via white wire, and then GND via black wire. You see that it is connected to the GND of Arduino. SDA via yellow wire, you see that it is connected to Arduino A4 pins. SCL via brown wire is connected to Arduino A5. So there we are good to go. Let's upload the code and start reading temperature and humidity of my studio right now. Okay guys, here are the codes, and they are done compiling. Let's try to explain them a bit. You see that we start including the wire library for I2C devices, and then we include the Adafruit AHTX0.h library and this library that works with our temperature and humidity sensor module. And then in the void setup, see, we begin the serial monitor, means where we will read the data from Arduino, and then we check if our AHT is connected. So this if condition is testing whether our sensor is connected, and then when the sensor is not found, we print on our serial monitor that the sensor is not there, and then if the sensor is there we will print that the sensor is available. And in the void loop we read the sensor data and then print the readings on a serial monitor with a delay of 2 seconds. So let's go ahead and then choose this. The Arduino is not connected, and try to connect it. So once connected, you will be able to choose the Arduino, the device, and then the COM port, and then hit upload and wait until our code gets uploaded. And guys, you see that the code is done uploading. So I'm go ahead and then open the serial monitor, and at that moment you see that we are reading temperature and humidity in our surrounding, means in my studio right now. and you can see that there I'm having 25 degrees Celsius, 25.86 degrees Celsius. So to see if that sensor is pointed to the environment, I'm going to put a currently connected soldering iron, and then we'll check on the serial monitor there if the temperature get increased. So we are still having 25.80, then 25.99, then 26, as I holding my soldering iron close to the model. And guys, you see that our sensor is responding, because now we are having 27.49 degrees Celsius. I connected the iron to the power just right now. Temperature is increasing gradually, and now you see that we reached to 32.51, and then the percentage of relative humidity is also decreasing. Now we are having 52.61. Guys, I hope this is enough for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please give a hand by liking this video, sharing this video, because this is easy to use and can save your time. Ciao, bye, we love you.